Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It is great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce members of group. Ramadita Maharani, Helvelia Septiana, Kartika, Udita Okta Astusi, and Zahra Apelia. We are from Digital Business Accounting 4B. This time, we will presentation about manage internal operation. Operational management. Operational management is an effort to maximize the use of all existing production factors, be it labor or human resources, machines, equipment, or materials or raw materials and other production factors in the transformation process to become various kinds of goods and service. Operating strategy that sets the direction for decision making that is integrated with the business strategy through formal planning of the operating strategy must be the driving force of the transformation process. So that is always healthy with the new environmental condition, such as the era of globalization. Discussion 1. Accuracy in allocating resources for strategy implementation efforts. 2. The accuracy of analyzing policies and procedures that facilitate the implementation of the strategy. 3. Appropriate use of process management tools to carry out continuous improvement. 4. Accuracy in building operating system and information systems. 5. Appropriately combining rewards and incentives in strategy implementation.
Baik, saya akan melanjutkan penjelasan yang telah dijelaskan oleh Rahma. Indikator yang pertama yaitu accuracy and allocating resource for strategy implementation effort. In carrying out internal management, manager must determine the resource and budget needed. The little fund allocated will slow down the implementation of interim arrangement, and if too many funds are allocated, there will be waste. Maka dari itu, kemampuan ketepatan perusahaan dalam upaya-upaya mengumpulkan sumber daya yang dibutuhkan untuk mendukung inisiatif strategi baru dan mengarahkan ke unit organisasi yang tepat harus benar-benar diperhitungkan karena akan memiliki dampak yang besar pada proses eksekusi strategi. Kemudian, indikator yang kedua, the accuracy of analysis, policy, and procedure to facilitate the implementation of the strategy. The essence of policy and procedure insight by management within the company can assess the implementation of internal regulation. The role of policy and procedure in the implementation of internal regulation. Oleh sebab itu, perusahaan harus mampu menganalisis dengan tepat kebijakan-kebijakan serta prosedur-prosedur yang harus dilakukan oleh perusahaan. Terdapat 3 poin penting dalam hal itu, yaitu 1. Institute analysis new policy and procedure, providing top-down direction how the work shall be done. 2. Provision and procedure provided consistency of implementation required on how the execution of particular strategy is carried out on geographical disparate operation. 3. Good understanding of policy and procedure which ensures the creating of work format to facilitate good strategi execution. Baik, indikator yang ketiga yaitu provide us of process management tools to carry out continuous improvement. Continually improving best practice is a method or technique that consistently solve better results than other means. Oleh sebab itu, praktik terbaik dianggap oleh sebagian orang sebagai kata kunci bisnis, karena digunakan untuk menggambarkan bagaimana proses pengembangan dalam melakukan usaha. Maka dari itu, untuk melakukan perbaikan atau bisa juga dikatakan Suatu peningkatan dalam sebuah perusahaan dapat menggunakan 3 hal, yakni 1. Business process reengineering or business process design. 2. Total quality management program. 3. Six Sigma process.
Business process reengineering or business process redesign. The company is looking for ways to improve its operations, which sometimes have found impediments in executing critical strategic activities by breaking organizational arrangements where pieces of activity are so in several different function departments, with no single manager or group being responsible for the optimal performance of the organization. Overall activity. Total Quality Management Program. Program TQM aims to instill enthusiasm and commitment in doing things right from the top to the bottom of the organization. The job of management is to ignite the overall search for ways to improve that involve and company personnel in the initiative and use of their intelligence. Six Sigma process. Six Sigma process offer a different way to drive continuous improvement in quality and strategic execution. This approach requires good use of statistical methods to identify and eliminate causes of defects or errors, and does not want variability in performing an activity or business process. Next, accuracy in building operating system and information system. Well understood state-of-the-art operating system not only enabling better strategy execution but also strengthening organizational capability is sufficient to produce competitive advantage over competitors. Information system need to cover 5 areas that are large. Number 1, customer data. 2, operations data. 3, employee data. 4, supplier and or strategic partner data. And 6, financial perform data.
Accuracy in building operating system and information system. All key strategic performance indicators should be tracked and reported in real time whenever possible. As a state-of-the-art operating system, system information, and real-time integral data result in superior strategy and operational excellence. Information system also provide a means for managers to monitor employee performance to see that they are acting within limits predetermined limits. Appropriately combining reward and incentive in strategy implementation. While desired reward structure is the most powerful tool for management to mobilize the employee commitment to success in strategy execution and align organization-wide effort with strategic priorities. Core concept: financial reward provide a high level of incentive when rewards are linked to specific goal outcomes. Incentive should be based on achieving result the right thing, not on obedience to do assigned job. To creating a reward system that promotes good strategy execution. The first principle in designing an effective incentive compensation system. Objective strong standard for assessing whatever individuals, team, and organizational units have done a good job. Analysis. Internal analysis of the internal environment can influence operating strategy, track security, and limitation of human research, track corporate culture, location, facilities, monitoring system, and so on. This internal analysis will lead to the identification of the company operating strength and weakness, and developing core capabilities in the field of operation in an era of increasingly fierce competition.
Conclusion: internal operations are very influential on the activities and continuity of a company. Internal operations are the strategies of a systematic and organized company that keeps the company running. Reviews the case of the Indonesian Coca-Cola bottling beverage company Yonmac Concept. Okay, Coca-Cola Bottling Indonesia is one of the leading soft drink manufacturers and distributors in Indonesia, producing and distributing licensed product from the Coca-Cola Company. The company product and distributes Coca-Cola products to more than 4,100 online through more than 120 sales centers. PT Coca-Cola Bottling Indonesia has a commitment to always understand, preventing, and minimizing the environment in relation to soft drink production activities. The development of an information system management approach directed at the Coca-Cola Bottling Organization is a form of the influence of the technological revolution on today's business world. Organizational and management strength and weakness can be obtained from organizational structure, company image, and achievements, company records in achieving goals. Communication within of organization of the overall organizational control system, organizational culture and climate, use of effective system in decision making, strategic planning system, synergy in organization, good information system, and good quality management. PT Coca-Cola Bottling Indonesia has the brand is recognized product distribution and network worldwide sales financial performance. The brand is recognized product diversification, credit rating, and many loyal customers.